The baby bird. It can't fly.
It
probably fell off the bird. It probably fell off the tree.
Yeah. Oh yeah, right here.
Baby bird fell off the tree.
Oh.
From where? Oh, the nest.
No, we have to put it on its misery. We have to kill it.
I'm not killing it.
No, seriously, if they're like this, something else is gonna kill it. If we don't kill it, something else is gonna kill it. So might as well just kill it.
Let it live.
It won't live.
Maybe we should call something. Maybe we should call someone.
They just put it back on the
It can't.
We can't.
It has a broken wing.
We have but we have to like grab it with something. At least put it back.
We can't.
And let it heal.
Look at that. It won't heal.
Oh, but the baby bird probably wasn't born right, huh?
No, it was. But it probably landed on his wing.
Here, get out of the shadow.
It's a shit.
Yeah, see, there you go.
Yeah.